Hey everyone, how are you all? So this is a really quick review video of a product that I have been using for a while now, and that is Black Pearl Vitamin C Walnut Face Scrub for blackheads and dead skin cells. So I really don't have blackheads, but I have dead skin cells. So I use this product and I really love the product. So as this product contains vitamin C, it brightens your skin and it also improves your dark spot, fine line. So the natural walnut cell particles remove your dead skin cells and blackheads, whiteheads, whatever the impurity you have. So I really love the product and I would recommend you guys to give it a try. If you had a problem of blackheads, whiteheads, dead skin cells, then go for it. You can find the product in Amazon. It costs $6.50, but in Amazon they are on discount. So give it a try and thank you for watching.